Lift kits versus leveling kits. What's the difference? I'm Mike with AutoAnything.com, and I might know a thing or two about lifting a truck. Okay, lift kits versus leveling kits. I'll fill you in on what you need to know. For the basics, a lift kit will typically lift both the front and the rear of your truck, versus a leveling kit which usually just raises the front of your truck to eliminate that factory rake where the bed is higher than the front of your truck. Sounds pretty simple, right? Don't worry, there's more. First, leveling kits. Leveling kits are one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to raise the height of your truck. It gives you room for bigger tires and nicer wheels. Leveling kits are usually a spacer, a strut extension, or a set of torsion keys, and these are used to achieve that lift in the front and level out your ride. Leveling kits are a great way to get the look while saving some cash for some other mods. They are geared towards a street-driven daily driver, and they are so easy to install, they can typically be done in the driveway with just basic hand tools. Now on to lift kits. There are a wide range of lift options to choose from. Everything from a mild 3-inch lift like I have here, to the towering sky-high 6, 8, 10-inch lifts or more. There's a variety of options for lift heights, but there's also a variety of options for the shocks that come with your lift kit. Lift kits don't need to be wildly expensive, running coilovers with reservoirs and adjusters. You can get a set with monotube shocks, which are more than strong enough for your off-roading adventures and very comfortable for the day-to-day on-road driving. With that said, you definitely do have the option to get a set of coilovers if you want that hardcore performance and ultimate control off-road. How you use your truck and how you want it to handle will ultimately decide which path you choose. Fortunately, we have experts available to answer any questions you may have to help you pick out the perfect lift for you and your truck. For even more detail, check out the complete blog post. And if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description. Thank you for choosing AutoAnything.com.